What's up, guys? Getting ready to do a test and tune on these hopper builds. So we got some modified and spec racers, and then also just wanted to do a quick shout that we are including these. We have all kinds of colors. These colors I haven't shown anybody yet. You might have got some already, but every order this month gets a free slot car controller keychain, which, you know, some guys think is cool. I think they're pretty cool. Right now, I think there's 7 or 8 different colors. So we've been having guys request different colors because they've been making multiple orders. But if you want a specific color, red, white, blue, yellow, green, orange, go ahead and let us know. The black and the gray are limited, so those ones we probably won't fill on request, but hopefully you guys think that's as cool as we do. We're gonna go ahead and do some testing on these cars. So these, if you've been watching my builds, these are Hopra modified cars, not CMPM, but modified. They are full builds. They have 2.3 ohm modified armatures in them, plated electrical. They do have our bronze bushings in them because you cannot run, you can't run bearings in this class. So very, very smooth. You can hear just really crisp. So really, really crisp. The back may or may not be up a little bit too high. It has 432s on it, but man, it is very, very crisp. Hopefully you guys can hear that RPM. I'll kind of show you what the car is. So 2.3 ohm. They're coming in right around 2.35 ohms. 2.30 is the limit. So running high torque motor mags and the V3 traction. So these are the V3s. That car ripped off a 2.4 right off the get-go. So it is very good. I'm not gonna run it anymore. I'm gonna just make sure that these other ones are right there. I have 336 fronts and 32 rears. So you can hear the power. I mean, they are, and it's an aggressive power band too, so I'm not super used to that on my controller. Oh my goodness. I knew it was gonna happen. So they RPM so hard on this short straight that it is tricky to drive them, but these are getting set up to run on a track that's 28 feet long, so it's twice the length of this track. We'll make sure that this car is happy. All right, so 242. So I always tell you guys in our videos, anytime you crash the car or you have the car end up on the floor, you always want to make sure you run it. Make sure everything is good on them. Okay, so 242.7, so I matched the best lap of the other one. So that is gonna do it. I already tested one earlier just to make sure that my tire combo was good. So pickup shoes look great. Everything about them, I mean, they're just killer cars. So now we're gonna move into the spec racers. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the screen here. So the spec racers, basically, I mean, they're built to spec racer rules. These have a 30 front and a 16 rear. V3 spec racer motor and traction mags in them, gold hardware, balanced arms. So Obviously, it's a little easier to handle these, but that was a 261. So 261 on that one, which very, very good. So you can see, I always look at the pickup shoe wear, want to make sure that it's dead even between the two. Make sure that the location, positioning, everything about it is what it should be. So these have the rear axle retainer boss, the Holy hubs, the Pro, well actually they're not rated, it's just a Spec Racer magnet package. Really, really happy with that out of the gate. Real good speed. These cars are definitely set up much closer to what they'll actually run at with that rear tire. The modifieds, obviously, with that 32, they could probably come down some. But this thing's dialed in, so 260. I don't even know how many. I mean, that was 9 laps between the two cars, so does not take long. Neutral time still too, so there's more speed in them. So just want to make sure, since I dropped it like a doof, that there wasn't going to be any problems with it. That was a 254. So really, really good. The mods can definitely go 2.2s with the right tire combo on them, but these things are bad to the bone, and they are heading out to Cincinnati. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're just jumping on, we're doing testing on some Hopra cars, and also was just doing a quick shout out for these little controller keychains. You can collect all of them. Orange ones and green ones, those ones are going out next week. We still have some of the red, white, blue, and yellow, but they are, included in every single order, viperscoracing.com. If you're watching for the first time, which is kind of rare for people to watch this for the first time, if you're not following us, be sure to check out the Slotcar stuff. Not all of the cars are wicked fast like these. We have all different speeds of cars and all different price range stuff, under $20 all the way up to hundreds of dollars. But there's literally something for everyone on our site, viperscoracing.com. So hopefully you guys have a good weekend. We are almost at a point where we're going to go home for the day, for the weekend. And we really appreciate you guys. We hope that you have a great time this weekend and enjoy your slot cars. We'll see you.